Guys, what is up? And today we are gonna figure out how many genders there are. Cause, well, I was told to post a new video, and I I kind of got in an argument in class, so we're gonna figure that out. Just how many genders are there? What the? Hold up! I thought there was only two. What the? Hello, 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 hello. Queer, gender fluid, non-binary, variant, cross-dresser, gender. What? How can he be genderless? Agender, non-gender, third gender, bigender, trans man, trans woman, trans masculine. What the heck? I feel like there should only be two, but you know. What are the six? What? I'm so confused. Is attack? Oh my god! Is attack helicopter a gender? I want to know what it says. The story is told from the perspective of Barb, a call sign not Barbara, formerly called Seo Jai-hee. The U.S. Army neuromedically reassigned Barb's gender to attack helicopter. What? To make her a better helicopter pilot. Warfare is now part of Barb's gender role, much as wearing skirts would be part of a woman's. What? Does that make sense? Well, no crap. Whoever asked this is retarded, to be honest. What is non-bi? No, I don't know. What is she, her mean? What was the first attack helicopter? What does I identify as an attack? Drake, come and look at this.
Are you talking to your girlfriend?
No, I'm streaming, but look. Is attack helicopter a gender? It's a gender!
What gender?
It's attack helicopter!
That's not a gender.
Yes, it is! Somebody put attack helicopter as their gender to make them better as a rule of whatever. That's so stupid. How can you be attack helicopter? That's autistic. Well, anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to download Spotify if you want to know how to share, and I will see you later. Ba-boom, bye!